Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change password on your HoneyDue application. To change password on HoneyDue, first of all launch open the HoneyDue application from your app drawer. Also make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, from the main home page, tap on More at the bottom right corner. Tap on the Settings button from the expanded menu. Once you open up Settings, scroll down and tap on Additional Security under Security tab and tap on Change Password. Enter your current password in the first text box and then enter a new password in the next field. Re-enter the password once again and finally tap on Save at the upper right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for HoneyDue. Next time you log into your account and if you are prompted to your password, you will need to enter the newly updated one. So that's how you can easily change your password on HoneyDue. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.